Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the graph editor and immediately selecting the animated object so you can see its animation curves. Once selected, press H to frame the curves, and Confirm View shows keys and tangents. This gives you direct visual control. Make sure only the channels you'll edit are visible by isolating them in the channel box. This reduces visual clutter. From here, you're ready to pick specific keyframes and begin targeted edits, rather than fiddling with the whole rig at once. Once you've isolated a curve, select the keyframes you want to change and use Move or Scale to adjust timing and magnitude. Use tangent types, spline for smooth motion, clamp to prevent overshoot, or plateau for step-style holds, to control interpolation. This shapes how motion accelerates or decelerates. Break tangents when you need asymmetric control, and enable weighted tangents for finer handle influence. Make sure to preview playback as you tweak, so you can judge motion flow and adjust handles in context. To finish, clean up by removing unnecessary keys and smoothing remaining curves so motion is predictable. If you need a stable clip, bake the animation to keyframes, then use Paste Special to copy curves between objects or export them. Lock or hide channels you won't edit to prevent accidental changes. If things go wrong, check for frozen transforms, locked channels, or constraints blocking edits. Unlocking, unfreezing, or disconnecting constraint inputs will usually restore editable curves and fix unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.